tie together. So if you're developing a project, you're starting in, how do you, I mean, I hear from some developers, some projects where it's just you can't get people to change their process. It's all very siloed, and early on you're going to just have the concept design done by the architect, and it's all going to happen in a very linear fashion. And yet you guys are both pioneers with your projects in really changing that model, at least internally. What did it take? What does it take to get that kind of collaboration to happen, and what are the benefits of Michael?
Our organization, sometimes it's uniquely we're building for ourselves, and sometimes we're building for others. And what we like to do, what's worked best for us is the team that are going to be the end users are managing that building. We try to identify, somebody who's going to be involved in that project, and along with the design, the architect, design engineers, commissioning engineers, energy modelers, we try to put that person in place early, because we don't want to hear later on down the road from an operator or a manager, well, I can't operate the building to the way it's designed because of X, Y, and Z. We want, so we like to buy in at the beginning from the property management side into construction, not have it, in some cases you find a situation where you have one group that developed a project, then they hand it over to the next people who complain about the first group because they didn't get the building they were going to be. So we try and incorporate that from the design from the beginning, and take those lessons learned and push it out to the construction people as well as the professionals working on the design, so that you have a smooth transition, and then the long-term goals are put in place.
And both of you guys have had a series of buildings, so you've been able to learn the lessons from the early ones and apply them to the next ones. Michael, while Phil's talking, if you could also be thinking about very, very specific design choices that were either made or not made because of the involvement of those operators early in the process. Phil, why don't you tell us about your process?
Same as Michael said, we usually, during the actual design process, and again, this is before we even are out to bid with the design, we're usually sitting down with the operating engineers. We usually pick a chief at that point already. Part of my group, actually, we have a chief operating engineer that works with us up in the main office that, we usually joke around, we call him the chief of chiefs. So he actually works with all the chief engineers in the buildings to make sure that the ongoing operations are actually working correctly. But on the other side, the development side, we actually bring him in, we explain to him the design, we get the engineers involved, design engineers to explain to him what are the operating set points, how does the outside air system work, what is it, floor-to-floor air handlers, is it a central fan system? Again, we're putting in condensing boiler plants, which is a little different. A lot of our other buildings used to be Con Ed district steam, which is pretty easy to deal with. So now you have a condensing boiler system, you have set water temperatures that have to be maintained, otherwise you don't get your energy savings. So we try and sit down and develop this way before we even have shovels in the ground. And we've seen it work out very well. And again, the team that's actually going to be the chief operating engineer and the assistant chief usually, and the building management staff, is usually on board while the building is being constructed, so that they can see the shop drawings, they can see the equipment that's going into place, and they can really understand how to operate it.
That's really good. Michael, were you able to go with a specific?
Yes. A building is an integration of a lot of different systems, whether it's electrical, mechanical, or plumbing systems, and the coordination of where those systems are put in place, how the access for maintenance is very important. But also, if you're utilizing building management systems to control that and integrate all those systems together is very important. We've had engineers design buildings where they put in VFDs on pumps, and they were basically just soft starters. They never thought about how we can integrate the chilled water to the chiller, and they weren't thinking about shoulder runs, what type of chilled water or heating you needed, and how you could utilize those controls to actually improve your energy efficiency. So the actual operators were able to give to the design engineers some information and best practices for operation.
Thank you.